Yo! Good morning, family. Welcome in. Welcome in. As you guys can see, I'm not signed in yet. For some reason, Lucid's website is down, so I can't access my login information to get into my accounts. And so that's unfortunate. So in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get some new Take Profit Trader accounts and get those going because I need to at least be able to see what the market's doing, and also we might as well start getting some new combines going anyways, because yeah, I can't get into Lucid right now, which is lame. Work, Pobby, good morning, King. God bless our opportunity today, brother. May everything we do be blessed. Can't know why I stumbled through that so hard, but good morning, work. I love the blessings. Good morning, King. Hi guys, how we doing, Split? Welcome in, sir. Hope you're doing great and amazing things. Yeah, guys, for some reason, Lucid website's down, so we can't get into it. So we're waiting, and I'm gonna get us some new Take Profit accounts while we wait. I want them to pop up soon though, because I do need to hopefully save some accounts today on there. What is it? 429018. Let's get in there, verify that, and we are now in there. I think this account is blown, so I have to reset it. -2. It is absolutely a Baronskis. Reset. Bank. Next. Next. Apologize for this, family. We're going to miss market open, or at least I am. Hi, I'm starting over Lucid site down, so just one funded with almost no drawdown. Sorry, Dave. I saw that yesterday. You said you tried 5 traded 5s, had unlucky, tried again. I feel for you, King. I know it was a tough day yesterday, but we're here, buddy. Pick it up. You got this shit. Load back up. So just one funded with almost no drawdown. One funded, no drawdown, means you can make it happen. Don't full port. I know that's your strategy. Try to find a nice bottom, find a nice trade, and then hopefully Lucid's website comes back on, because I'm also struggling to get in. Santiago, good morning, King. Boss, good morning, King. I don't like traded 5. The last 3-day pass messes me up. Yeah, gonna limit order. I like that, Dave. Yeah, the limit orders are weird. I mean, the 3-day pass is strange. It's kind of why I'm not into TPT for that 5-day, but at the same time, it's technically 2. Like, you can pass in 2 days and just need a 3 base hit, so it's really not much different. TLR, good morning, stud. Welcome in, King. Appreciate you for being here. Hope everyone's feeling good on this fine Tuesday, guys. We have an opportunity ahead of us. Currently, the Lucid website being down is a little bit lame, but we're going to go ahead and get some new Take Profit traders to get in and watch the market open. I'm going to actually miss the first opening print candle, but no big deal. Hope you guys see something nice there. Be patient. Wait for the nice setup to happen. Maybe this is Lucid saving me, because what would happen, maybe I blow these accounts right now, and then when they do turn on and get working, I'm going to end up finding a good trade, right? So that's what we're going to say. We're going to say that right now, this is Lucid low-key saving us, because we're going to take an early loss that we're now going to be saved from, right? And then when we come back, we're going to find an opportunity that is going to be a blessing. That's what I'm seeing right now. One more to reset here, family, and we're going to get in there with these TPTs. Not my favorite that we can't trade the Lucids, but it's okay. I got to get new prop firms going anyways. We're doing well with the Lucids that we've been functioning with, so let's make it happen. Here we go, logging in, see if we can see market open. Huh? Come on. Come on. Crazy London session coming into New York with some extra money to risk. Love it, Santi. Good shit, King. Day facts. I hate the day pass. 1-day passes are so much better. 2-day pass maybe. Gold. Good morning, King. Welcome in, sir. Mad Max. How we doing, baby? Bella. Good morning, Queen. Welcome in. Appreciate you for being here, showing some love. Guys, Lucid website is currently down. Wait, sorry, I missed it. My Lucids are fine right now. You can't log in. Yeah, Lucid, I can't log in. Is it better? Is it better? I'm trying right now. I tried all morning, couldn't get in. So we're going to see if we can. Look at the market open, selling off a little bit there. Make sure I can try this. Service unavailable. Yeah, no, it still says it's down for me, King. But it's okay. We have these TPTs going. Let's go manage this group. Let's go turn 5 on. We'll go 50K's. 50K's. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save. Okay, so let's take a quick gander here to see what we're actually looking at. I mean, you can still trade on Trade-A-Bait with yours. I'm on Trade C, so it's automatic. I don't know. Yeah, maybe that's all it is. Automatic. I gotta log in. It's not that I I just can't get into the website to know. We did end up selling off yesterday, or overnight, it looks like. Yesterday we ended up holding the bottom, struggling to break through, going back up to the top, and then overnight high, rejection at that same previous spot. And now we're opening pretty low in the zone here. Is this the fucking... Let's go look at the daily chart right now. Is this the first bearish pullback candle we've had in 3 weeks? Almost a month straight of up action? Holy cow, family, huh? Who would have seen it? Who would have guessed it? Hey, good morning, Queen. Welcome in, Danny. Appreciate you for being here, showing some love as always. Hope your afternoon is going good. That book was so good, Ty. I bet you would enjoy it too. Oh, The Intruder. I'm gonna have to pick it up. The Intruder. Hell yeah, Danny. I'm glad you finished it. I mean, you can still trade in Trade-A-Bait. Down on my payday. Please don't rug me, Lucid. Yeah, I know. They're not gonna rug you, brother. But it is unfortunate. Morning, Danny. Your opportunity to be blessed today. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Way to keep us blessing. Market's been open for 3 minutes. Opening print candle sold off a bit here from the 160s into the 082s. So that's actually a pretty strong candle. It's an 80-point candle right there. So we're getting some decent range. Overnight range is, 480 points. So pretty fat. Don't stress it. We rebound that red New York session like it's nothing. That's it. And we're going to recover those Lucid accounts as soon as they let me in, of course. That's step one. They have to actually let me in. Continue from Russian. Cancel. They have to actually let me get into the accounts. That's first step. And then once we're in, we're going to go ahead and save them. Get that red dollar. Get that red back. Yeah, it's still unavailable right now. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. So you can't even open Trade-A-Bait to trade Lucid. I'm confused. Trade-A-Bait works. It's not Trade-A-Bait, Dave. It's that I don't know my username or password because I always get it from the Lucid dashboard, and I can't get into Lucid because their website's down. So I don't know how to get my access to my account, only because I don't have the login information. If I had it saved somewhere, I could easily get in. So it's more on me. I was 6 points away from getting stopped out. I don't really care if it gets stopped out just because I already got my percent. I'm in since 8:30. I'm trying to go for London lows. 6 points from getting stopped out. I believe in it, King. I believe this works for you. How much drawdown left on them? Max, I got 1,700 drawdown left on them. So, honestly, we have some decent room to play, especially on a day like today with a 500-point range. We could easily make it happen, but we'll see what happens. I could get 5 Trade-A-Fi evals again to trade with you all. If you want to, sir. I just hate Trade-A-Fi's 3-day pass. Ugh. It is bad, but I like the 40% actually. I actually like the 40% because it's less that you need to make. And it's kind of like Take Profit's 5-day pass, except, you just need those little snipes. So you can hit two. Take Profit's almost just a 2-day pass with those 2-day, with those couples you can grab of just. Look at this inversion down here at the lows. Tapped into the 27,070s and just immediately ripping right up. Yes. Yes, yes, looks like it's towards VWAP, but it is actually. It's not, darling. Oh, darling, it's not. Holy shit. Crude oil hit $100 a barrel again. Finding some resistance here. They're trying to keep it below 100, but it doesn't look like it wants to. I think early longs to VWAP feel okay. 1,700 still good. It's not too bad. Max, we'll make it happen. No cap, brother. I'm in it for the biscuit, brother. You gotta risk it for that biscuit, son. You know what the game is. Love it. Only love it. I think we could long into VWAP. Obviously, it's a little bit risky. But the way that we found that support off that 27,000 makes me think it could play. We need $1,500 for in trade mode on here. 5 contracts. 75 points on today's range is very possible. 1 minute just made a clear bullish confirmation, so I'm going to let it ride now, baby. Come on, King. I love it. Anybody let me know when they're able to log into their Lucids. In the meantime, we're going to trade these, take profits, try to find the 1,500, get these half passed, and then we'll spend the next couple days just getting it over the finish line. And then maybe we can be fun with take profit again. We did well with them start when we got back from Hawaii. Hope we can keep the momentum again. There's already 30 beautiful people in here, family. We've been a little bit off the love button, so I'm going to ask one time, if you guys truly enjoy being here and show support to the channel, can we get the likes back to our 30 like stream goal? 40 is our real goal, but we've been even struggling at 30, so take a second if you guys haven't. Smash the button. Support. It means the most, family. Come on, come on. I know we can do it. I know we can do it. Just like I know we can save these NASDAQ accounts. D, good morning, King. He says I'm in a long. I like longs up into the VWAP. I think that's fairly safe. This 29 candle high, once we break through that, we might get some continuation. This, I imagine, is going to maybe get an EMA touch, but the way that we just bounced off that 27,000 number looks decent. Overnight low is 27,036. Who knows? Okay, I got 5 traded 5s. Let's go, Dave. Good luck, King. Let's make it happen today. Take good setups. Wait for the patience. We have a lot of range today, so a lot of opportunity. You don't need a lot of size to grab the 40%. Don't need a lot of size to grab any of this, really. This is a lot of, like, even this candle right here is 23 points, 22 points on just this one little candle. So a lot of opportunities. Long 27,054. Boss, what an entry, King. Holy cow. I love that. You got it in pre-market? Or is that where you're targeting? You'd be interested in a long down there. If you're already riding that, you're a king. If you're about to look for that for an entry, I don't mind that. Only issue for me on that entry would be, I like it. So hopefully it holds. We'll see what happens. Pre-market long, you're a king. Let's go, baby. I got some jack and rolling up the spliff. Gonna see how this plays out. This man's enjoying his morning. This man is enjoying his morning like a king does. I love seeing it. ES look like it's a little bit more bullish towards that VWAP entry. Oil's trying to see if it wants to give up the VWAP as well. And NQ, a little bit stagnant, but I like it for continuation. Can we find it? Market's only been open for 9 minutes. Don't force anything. Don't force anything if you don't need to, man. You know what I mean? Part of me wants to try this EMA pullback for a long continuation, but it's not like an A+ for me. What's ES doing? It's not an A+ for me, though I do like longs, at least up into that price. Matter of fact, I'm going to go half size, so I'm going to go 5 micros at this price. Might get missed now that we already tapped into that EMA. So now the speed really should come in if it's going to be real. Meaning that we may have just been missed. Yes, still reaching higher highs, waking out at that 175 price though. I think it wants to try to get up there. NQ trying to hold this EMA and pushing above this 29 wick. It's a lot of resistance right now. Oil, it's because oil's holding that to VWAP where it's going to be a confirmation. Here we go. If we break through this, there it's going. Like I said, I kind of like that EMA tap down there, and obviously didn't take it, but it felt okay. It did. Stop wick low. I love it. Safety. Stop wick low. Live order flow. Not NOQ. What's NOQ? Are you bullish? I am bullish up into this VWAP. See, look at that pump right there. Man, that would have been a beautiful trade if we found that. I really liked it. Didn't take it, of course. Daily chart, that's what we're looking at. Looks like it could print lower. Let's go look at the hourly chart now, see if we get better ranges. Yeah, I mean, that's what we're seeing. Here we go into the VWAP. I don't know if I want to be first at this VWAP tap. I don't mind a VWAP rejection. I just don't know if I want to be the first one to get in. Check the link, King. You don't trade blind. What link? What you mean, King? There's a VWAP tap. I'm going to try it. Short, tight stops on this. I'm shorting at the VWAP. See if I get filled. It's already touched it twice as where our price would have been.
Order filled. Just
gave us the tap in there. Just tapped us into our position. Can we get a rejection off this VWAP? The strong longs look decent right now, recovering off the 27,060s, but I want to see a little bit of a balance found now that we tapped into a big price. I'm not going to risk too much on this position. For me, stops would be a really strong closure above VWAP. Realistically, that would be, look at this hourly chart. Realistically, it'd be a closure above, I think it's 255. I don't really want to risk all that. It's just a strong closure above VWAP for now. Decent first reaction. Obviously, the first reaction is always going to be something, so we want to see a little bit stronger of a continuation press off of it. The longer we trickle up here, though, it's not terrible. You just want to see some weakness. My stop on this, Dave, is now going to be a closure above this swing high. So now it's going to be right here, where we have a previous sell spot above this previous bottom and above this new swing. So it's going to be at the 43.75s, where I'm going to have 5 stops. And I want to see if we can get a reaction back off towards this EMA. Maybe we retest the VWAP again, but from here, I kind of want to see some bears. Goddamn, that shit's flying now. Work, let's go. I'm up 6,005 accounts in the long. Let's go, dude. Good long down there. Work, did you flip? Nah, I'm still longs. He's holding. NASDAQ's holding below VWAP at the moment. We'll see if we get continuation or if it continues to break through. I like the resistance up here for at least a retest towards the EMA. We got a big spot filled there. It's an hourly tap into the VWAP. It's an hourly tap into the VWAP. You can see on the hourly chart, though, that the EMA is actually trying to cut through the VWAP, which could be interesting if it holds. Oops, I accidentally put my TP at 100. Fuck. Well, at least I got 100 in 1 second. $100, baby. Come on, Poppy. Let's go, baby. Retesting it towards this EMA to 27,200 whole number. Obviously could find some reactions here. Want to see if the sellers are going to actually appear and take over. I want to see it. I want to see it. Technically for us, 75 points off this price would be our full TP. So that'd be what? 43. So it'd be 50. No, it wouldn't be 43. We're in at 32. So yeah, 43. So it'd be 57. Is that right? Why does that feel so far down? I think that's right. Buy file limit. That'd be our full TP down at the 157s. I don't know why my mental math is breaking me right there. It's like, this is a bull flag looking, though. We got to see this try to break lower. Obviously, we're going to get a retest towards this VWAP. We want to see continuation from rejection from the sellers to get back into these prices. This doesn't look too shabby for long to try to hold, so I want to see some weakness. Good morning, Handsome and Buttes. Handsomes and Buttes. I love that. Good morning, King. Welcome in, Sauce. Back in towards off this EMA price. Back to the VWAP. Do we see any continuation rejection, or are the longs going to go ahead and stop us out of this trade? We're going to find out. We're going to go ahead and find out after the break. Yeah, I'm still bearish for the week because of the 4 hour, like I told you in the text, but I'm going to look for some small that should play out. That's how we do it. We play both sides of the markets, King. You can read price action. You have a skill that will pay you forever. Definitely shorting. I don't like longs. I don't think longs look good. They don't look terrible. I like the 27,000 support they just found here at this bottom, but I like that we're below VWAP and got filled at a nice price for what I'm interested in. We could have our classic horror story. We come get flashed out, but as long as we continue to find reaction towards this VWAP, I think we're going to find some weakness. Obviously, we're looking for, the 75 points to play out, so anything could happen here. Good morning, Saucy. May your opportunity be blessed, brother. I love it. May your whole life be blessed work. That's what we're doing here, family. All you guys looking for shorts, be careful. He says that. You be careful too, King. Anything could happen at all times. Anything could happen at any moment. Oil breaking below VWAP looks pretty good for weakness. What's ES doing? ES is actually above VWAP. Interesting. Interesting. I find that interesting. ES looks more bullish than NQ, so he could be pulling us. We'll see who actually gets the strength. Another VWAP tap in there. A little bit more continuation. Who's going to get the closure? It doesn't look bad for longs here, but I still don't mind shorts. This is a bullish market, still weekly and higher time frames are bullish. It's been a bullish market for a month. You are absolutely correct, sir. And it looks like it could be playing out right now. It looks like it could be. Always careful. Trump always manipulating like he does it. We could see a Diddy candle out of nowhere. Rodrigo. The book is up, King. Just got tagged out of our shorts. So, yeah, longs are looking decent off that recovery off the 27,000 dip into there. As I said, the EMA is starting to curl up through the VWAP, so I find that interesting on the hourly chart. We had a lot of overnight selling into a level at the 27s. We'll see what happens here as this plays out a little bit more. The book is up. Lost my eval. Fuck, Danny. I'm sorry, Queen. Sorry to see that. I hate it. I'm still going to send you some W's, though. Did I just get fucking diddied? Am I the absolute top tick of the century? I actually want somebody to make this shit up for me. No, I actually want somebody to make this up for me. Just made 1,500 on one eval. Let's go, D. Was down 500 from Asia. You come back, Queen. You are amazing on what you do. You are an amazing trader. What's up, King? How we doing, Brom? How you feeling today, sir? Hopefully Apex gets back to you soon. Otherwise, we'll see what happens. I'm going to cancel this buy order now. Do not tell me I'm going to get fucking the top tick century there. I'm going to short one more up here where it stops above that high. Excuse me. I'm short again. I'm short again. I still think shorts are fine here. I think we just got unlucky. Look at ES coming in and rejecting VWAP heavy there. Feels like we were quite literally just the top tick. 10 a.m. consumer confidence. Bummed. I know, Queen. I've said it before, and I don't think we fully understand that these right now, family, are some of the toughest conditions that I have ever seen. I know a lot of traders can relate to that. These are insanely tough trading conditions. Just headline news, all-time highs, very separated from people's actual sentiment towards the economy. It's just we're trading things that are just so different than. They're so separated from logic and just completely tough. So have some grace for your guys' selves, no matter what's going on in your account. If you guys are winning, losing, finding consistency, blowing up often, it's all I can say is this experience is going to come in and pay dividends eventually. Just keep letting it fuel you, stay motivated, and good things will happen, family. That's all we can see here. Seeing the EMA, still holding it as the buyers are trying to. If we start breaking below that, I like to see some weakness. Currently just waiting to see what can happen here. ES, trying to get back up into the VWAP, finding some more rejection here. I think if this sells off, it can bring us with it, hopefully. Like I said, I still like our position. I think we were just a little early. We got stopped, tagged out, of course, up there. Like, just of course, because why wouldn't I? I've been struggling the last few days, too. That's what I'm saying. It's been very tough conditions. So keep your guys' heads on. Keep fucking being proud of yourselves. Keep showing up no matter what. We're doing the thing that are very hard to do. Come on, NASDAQ. Yeah, I had such a good week last week, and yesterday I took a $280 loss and just oversized to try and pass today. Very common story. And, yeah, I mean, as long as you like the setup that you took, you can't be upset that it didn't play out. Yesterday's loss, I know you oversized, so that's where you can be upset because you didn't follow that rule. But overall, Queen, you're doing great things, and it's only a matter of time. I'm proud of you. I know it hurts. I know it doesn't feel good, but you're doing the great thing. You're learning. You're getting better, and so it's all we can really do. NASDAQ finally breaking off this VWAP. I was not going to be the top tick story, so I got another short entry at the WAP and got a beautiful sell-off so far. Can we see this thing continue lower? It's obviously going to get interesting around these 190s, 200 whole number. Maybe I have to consider something else there, but I don't mind this to try to print lower. Morning, Tyler. Important news. UAE leaves OPEC. Holy cow, that's huge. Andrew, that's wild. Just passed 5 MFF evals. Busted the fundeds last week. Back on track. Now let's see if I can get a payout from them. I know you can, King. Let's go, split. Family, there's 40 beautiful people watching. And like I said, lately we've really been struggling to show any love to the stream. Not hitting the like button. So can we, if you guys are here and you find any value in this, can we smash the love button? Show some likes. And how close can we get to our 40 like stream goal? There's 40 of you guys in here, so if everyone in here shows some love, I know we can hit it. We're currently up 50 points on this trade, breaking down into the 27-184s. Obviously, for an ideal exit, that would give us the whole trade. We would need, what, 53? I would need like 43 at this point. So I need to see some deep selling to get our the rest of our pay for this trade. I don't know if I'm going to take all of it. I'm going to trail our break even on at least now. VWAP's going to protect us, and I'm going to put our order in where I would need it to be, which I think is around the 43s. By 5 limit. Let's see if we can get down there. Currently heading pretty steamrolly. Don't mind it. Break even stops for consumer confidence. Yeah, I am. I'm going to do it, Dave. Anything could happen down here. I want to see the sellers continuing to bring this thing down, but anything could happen. Here we go into the 170s. Look at the speed. Show me some speed down towards those 43s. Look at the direction now, family. Currently a beautiful trade. We're up 60 points, or no, we're up 75 points. Got tagged out for our other loss, so we're looking for a little bit more now. Right to our delivery. I mean, this is what I wanted to see earlier. Of course, we got barely tagged for a stop out, and I wasn't going to let that play out, so I got another position. Now we got to see if we can find the last little bit here. Feels okay. Into the 58s. This previous spot, this is that daily opening print price, so strength through here could be a little ugly, but I want to see it play. Try to hold through here. Nice selling speed. Beautiful speed there, family. Really can't complain. Oh, I'm making too much. Making too much.
Order filled.
I had to close that. I made it 15.05, so technically a little bit too much, actually. Beautiful trade there. I mean, that is what you want to see. Just A to B. No hesitation. Speed. Like I said, I really like the shorts up at the previous VWAP. We got stopped out from a little break. Wasn't going to get top ticked. Added in at the same exact price, family, and then ended up finding it to half pass those evals. Really good trade. And now, T for me is 58 because it traded 540%. 58, so you got out of there, Dave. Let's go, King. Proud of you today. You got past through that 40. Great trade, Tyler. I appreciate Andrew, the man. Brown, thank you, sir. Fuck my life. There was my short. There was your short, Queen. That's the short Queen right there. From A to B, we went straight down. I have to lose like 10 bucks on $5 on some of these accounts. It's kind of annoying. I'm at 11.98 on all 5 accounts. I love it, Dave. I love it. All right, family. Well, we did that. We did our best. Lucid, man. Come on. Get your accounts up, man. Still can't sign in, and I want to be a part of this action. Our 15-minute range is in as well, so I'm going to draw this up, at least stay aligned. I really... Ooh, didn't mean to do that. I really want to obviously trade our Lucid accounts, our fundeds. Like, imagine catching that trade on those fundeds. We would have saved it. We would have, if we took those 2 trades right there, I'd lost $200. Can you put it in, please, man? I lost $200, and then, dude, put it down. What's going on here? Drop. Thank you. Yeah, we lost $200 and then made $1,700. So this right here would have saved those Lucid accounts had we been able to get in. And it's still not letting us load in. This is insane. Why? Why? Done for the day, but we'll keep watching. You're the man, Dave. I'm proud of you hitting that 40%. Is huge. Nice trade, King. I appreciate it, boss. Rejecting back into the 15-minute range. Coming back up in towards this VWAP price. Anything could happen. We'd bounce off to 27,141 with a strong V recovery so far. What did ES do? ES give it all back up? It has. ES looks much weaker than NQ, so I'd continue to try to short that. Oil's trying to break back above VWAP. So yeah, I think I wouldn't mind another VWAP tap short possibly here. We are holding 50% of the range though, so we could find bulls. Bummer that we can't trade our Lucids, but maybe it's all part of the plan. The only thing that I'm sad about it is that we're probably not going to get great price action tomorrow morning, because tomorrow morning is going to be FOMC. So they're probably going to be, World Bank sees 24% surge in energy prices. Yeah, energy crisis. And we have an energy crisis going on. Tomorrow's price action in the morning may not be stellar because we are going to be having FOMC later on in the day, so the people might be waiting for that. Obviously, we had a big range. I heard Top Step catching a lot of heat from traders. Andrew, they changed their payout cap again, and they reduced their fee from like 105, I think it was, to 95. So they saved $10, but you can only make half the money on a payout now. I don't know. I don't know. Top Step for me has been doing a lot of weird stuff over an extended period of time, so I'm not super interested. Now I'm gonna go break even here. Let's go work. Good trading, King. I'm proud of you. Way to make it happen. Well, I like the stream. If Lucid isn't back up in 15 minutes, I'll go to dinner. Great trade, Ty. Let's go, sir. You as well. Proud of you. Appreciate you for liking the stream too, family. Like I said, we've been really struggling to hit the love button lately, so if anyone hasn't, or just, you know, maybe you guys forget or you get annoyed at me asking, I apologize, but it really does help to stream out. Obviously I do this, you know, essentially for free, but I do it because I care about doing it, but still I want to see that you guys care about it too. I want to see if we can grow and get more family members in here and just continue to do good things. So it would mean a lot if you guys haven't yet to just show some love, show some support, smash the love button. Like I said, haven't been even hitting 30 lately, so I know 30 we can get to. So let's try to get to 30 today, family. Who else staying up all night to catch the low price action for tomorrow? Santiago, he knows the game. Wow, turn off trade mode on TPT. Lockout for sure. I appreciate that, Dave. I kind of feel like I want to lose these $5 because I don't want to have to take another trading day to pass. You know what I'm saying? I crashed 3K in my pros, saving my pro accounts for today. Cashed out 3K on the pros, saving them. That's all I wanted for the Lucids, baby. Come on. I'm going to at least turn trade mode off here. And then for M and Q, I might look for a position just to lose some money. Just to try to lose some monies. That's what I did on Tradeify. Okay, go to 1 MQ per account and buy market and sell market. I'm going to try it this time. I just don't want to get caught for like, what's it called? Like bots. Like, I don't want them to think I'm like bot trading and like trying to be weird. So I'd hate doing that. I'm going to try to buy right now.
Order filled.
Get a bottom tick, dude. Come on. Come on. Break below my price. Surely if I hit buy there, I'm never bottom ticking, right? Excuse me, I had to blow my nose. Excuse me. Get below there. Thank you.
Order filled.
Perfect. Perfect. 1485. That's all we had to do for the day. Hit an exit. Trade out mode is off. And now we're in here, family, with a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade that we found. Come on, gold. Just tap me, break even before I can go smoke my blunt. Fuck this shit, teasing me. Teasing you work. Where's it going? Come on. Don't tag that, man. Go up to the highs. What's oil doing? Finding support through VWAP. Go up through the highs. Give this man a rocket ship. He deserves it. Always blessing us with energy and positivity. Thank you, Saucy. Damn work. You discipline holding. It already tapped it. So you're out. Enjoy that spliff for me. Enjoy that for me as well, King. That jack got me dizzy. He's having a morning. What a king. Enjoying his freedom, his free will. Family, there's 30 people watching. How close can we get to our 30 like stream goal right now? I am waiting to try to join into these Lucid accounts, and they still are down. Boo, Lucid. First time I've ever been upset with Lucid a little bit. First time they've ever really done weird stuff. I'm going to go check the Discord on my phone, see what they're saying. Website issue. Traders are currently an issue logging into our website and dashboard. This does not impact your ability to trade active accounts. If you need your credentials, they are included in every single trading account ready email you receive from us. Go log into the details. Ooh. Wait, trading account ready email. Okay, wait a minute, family. I might be able to log in like that. Lucid. Hold on a second here, family. Certificate ready. It's going to be a little while. I got to go find these because I've been fucking... Certificate is ready. No, I don't want a certificate. Payout approved. Daily wire. Funded wire. Your payout certificate. Payout approved. Payout requested. Daily wire. Daily wire. Daily wire. Trading account ready. 320. Oh! Oh! I got it right here, family. Let's go ahead and log into our Lucids then. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. We're going to go to trade of 8. I don't know why I just brain fogged right there so hard. W Lucid for the email at least. I did not know what it was, but now we have it right here, baby. Come on, Lucid. W them now. For including that in there. It means I have to go find... I have to do it on here, family. I apologize. Where was it? It's 320. Your daily snapshot. Daily wire. I don't want my daily wire. Wait, why can't I find this on here? Hold on a second, family. For some reason, I just found it on my phone, but I can't find it on my computer. Huh? Huh? Why are the dates all weird? Come on, I want to log in. Come on. Daily wire, daily wire. Password reset, request, trading account active, the single. That's not it. Oh, I'm going to get grumpy. Why is it not giving me time? Older than a month. Hold on, I think I found it. Oh, baby, family. You guys see this? Lucids are loaded. Hold on. We're about to get in trouble. Tyler, have you ever gotten your Pro Plus, brother? Have you ever gotten a Pro Plus, brother? With trade take profit? No, I don't think Pro Plus. I think I got Pro. Excuse me. I don't think I got Pro Plus, Andrew. Because that's when you like make 10K live, right? Or something like that. 50K's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Save. We got our, so Dave, if you want to go log in, you can. You guys got to go to your email and they'll have you with your sign in where you get the thing. Santa, you smoking that hell? Let's play Chicago. Let's play Chicago. I don't know what that game is, but it sounds like I would enjoy it. Dave, if you're trying to sign into your Lucid, you can. ES coming back up into the VWAP, looking like it's trying to reject. I'm not exactly sure where we're going to go. I got to be a little bit more patient now. Coming back up into the VWAP on NQ as well. We held 50% of the range multiple times, so I'm struggling to look for shorts. Makes me think maybe longs. Oh, baby. I wish I could have taken those 2 trades on my Lucid instead of my... Ugh. That's what I wanted right there. It's all right. It's okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Trade mode on. 5 contracts. Let's get serious. Let's get focused. Coming up into this VWAP. Yeah, the 50% rejection here, holding multiple times, makes me struggle to look for shorts. So I got to be patient. You don't know Chicago. It's when you hit it 2 times, pass it, hold it until you get the blunt back. Oh, you guys are going to be in trouble. Only fun one is a squad, though. Yeah, you got to go through like 5 rotations, 6 rotations, and struggle. Sounds fucking hilarious. Oil's trying to hold above VWAP. ES currently rejecting VWAP, even though NQ is basing above. So, interesting price action right now. A little bit of indecisiveness. Let's see if we can make some money here, family. We just made a banger trade on the Lucid, on the take profit accounts. Can we find it again here? I believe we can. We just got to be patient, wait for something nice to set up. It's tough to join shorts right now because the bullish pressure up into the VWAP. They held 50% of the 15-minute range. We're looking decent. Only fun in the squad though. 20 more Familia. 20 more for our 30 or our 40. If we need 20 more for 40 or 30, man, y'all hurt my feelings. MNQ rejecting, not even getting to VWAP yet. ES still showing some signs of rejection off the VWAP. Interesting. What could happen here? 20 more for 40. Come on, family. We can get to 30. Let's get to 30 today. Like I said, we've been even struggling to get to 30 today, and I want to just have a win. So as a family, let's get to 30 likes. Let's get a win back, and then we'll start asking for more as we start showing some support again. But in the meantime, I am looking for a beautiful trade on these Lucids. Can we get our 4th payout in a row off these? We need to find a position. We have $1,700 in drawdown, which is more than enough. And yeah, we just got to find it. Part of me wants to try to short this up here, but again, it's tough because we keep holding 50% of the range. We already had an attempt from the sellers and they got rejected. So it's tough for me to like really want to join them. Though I do anticipate a break eventually, especially if oil continues to find bearish print like it looks like it is. It's tricky. It's tricky. Up. See, boss thinks up. It's the thing, man, the thing. It's tricky to know. It's tricky to say, hard to know. You know what I'm saying? It's tricky to say, hard to know. I am recognizing a bit of a trend line here, though. Maybe we can utilize to our advantage. Through this, things could get weird. A little wet and wild if you do. ES also rejecting at the VWAP again. Oil trying to break higher, but not at the moment. This could be a spot for a long if they are going to try to hold this. Anything could happen. Anything at all, mate. I might take this VWAP long attempt and then just try to see if we can have a quick stop below. I mean, it's not VWAP long attempt, it's trend line long attempt. And then see, we'll just have a quick stop on it. Try to see if we can catch the action to the high side. It's not my A+ probability trade, so I'm going to hold off a little bit. Look left at the 1 hour. Well, the thing is, on the 1 hour, I actually see weakness, though, boss. Because, look, we rejected this high. Tried to push through again. Rejected. Really sold off. Excuse me. And then we came into these bottoms. Not even any bottoms. We came into this midpoint, and now we're retesting a spot where if the sellers don't, if the buyers don't take over here, things get weird. So I don't think the 1 hour is necessarily indicative, although there's a lot more volume profile to fill out up here, which could play true that we go auction towards. But oil's ripping, and NQ. I'm struggling to be a complete long. 27,360 vector recovery. 360 would be crazy. It's possible, boss. It is. I got some news off from the dispensary. I went fart out to New Bedford to try some new products, and goddamn, this shit hit my soul. They've taken care of you like they should. He took a drive for them work. Yeah, anything could happen here, boss. I wouldn't be surprised if we hold this trend line. Looking a little bit weak. Yes, still rejecting VWAP again. Oil's not. It's tricky. Hard saying, not knowing, you know? Bro, I go there in the summer, LOL. Come on. New Bedford, Mass. Yes, sir. Tell me the boys ain't getting together. I think I'm interested in shorts here, family. I'm going to short one of the 209s. It's a little bit risky.
Order filled.
Anything could happen here. Long should really try to step up. ES coming back into this previous swing. Things could get wild there. As long as oil continues to find some strength, I like it. But we got to see some attempt from the sellers. Got to see an attempt from the sellers. Are we going to get any love at this retest of this trend line? Back towards these previous swings. I like that we broke through it. Just want to see some continuation to the sell side now. Just want to see a little bit of continuation to the sell side. Break off this price. Go take out new lows. Give us a chance here. This will really show who's winning at this spot. Stops for us would be a safe closure above VWAP. They're auctioning. I think a big black candle could look interesting for this chart. Start heading lower now, Nazi. Come on, get down there. Get down there, Queen. I like this to try to break through lows. Come on, get down there. Beautiful. Show me more rejection. Got to get through these new 170s. From there, we could look okay. Don't want to see a wick. I want to see this thing continue with that closure. Show me some strength in the sell side. Do not want to see a nasty wick like that. Don't want to see a gross wick like that. We started getting some speed, and now they're going to reclaim it. Want to see this close bearish for us. Wait for all the information. ES looks much weaker than NQ does at the moment. That's a really nasty recovery, though, from the longs. I'm not going to lie to you. They wicked out at that 170 price pretty well there. I like that we're below this trend line, but that's a gross wick that I didn't want to see. I want to see some. I started seeing some speed, started liking it, and then we held. off of a 170 price. ES looks more bearish than NQ, so I'm going to keep hoping that that's the leading indicator. Oil's basing above VWAP. I don't love that. Looks like they're selling off a little bit. That would have been our break even had I put my break even on. Still leaving the normal amount of risk. Do not love that wick reaction. I'm not going to lie to you guys. That's a pretty bullish candle closure for the longs to show some random support there. And that's another decent closure. So that's back-to-back bullish prints above our price now. Can we get some love? Shit could get wild here. ES looks like it's trying to reclaim back in towards that VWAP, holding that bottom. I don't love that it held that price. Why did it hold that price? I don't know. You got to get through this EMA if you're an ES looking for sellers. Back and forth. Trying to get above our price. We're battling here, family. I want to see the sellers grab some speed down here. Give me a nice closure, no wick. I want to see the sellers try to win this spot. Rejecting the top of the range. They tried to hold to 50% again, which is kind of the interesting spot there. But if we start getting through there with speed, I think we're going to be okay to look lower. Come on, get down there this time. Break through that. Respect the top back side of that trend line. We started getting some speed. They bought it up pretty strong. We got to get through that 50% spot. Come on, sellers. Big black, no wick, family. We need it today. We need it right now. Get down there. Go take out these lows. It'd be so beautiful. With some speed. Here we go. Get heavy through here now. That's a good candle closure. Give us another one of those. We need to start stringing a couple of those together. Get on down there then. Break through that bottom. With some speed now. Good closures. Don't want to see any more wicks around this area. They're trying to hold it pretty steady. This is nearly that 50% of the range. So this is where we want to see weakness. Really, it's at the 167s. More orders getting filled, but I think it's looking a little bit weaker than it was the last bounce. I think we could be on a ride for some direction if we can get some speed through there. Of course, we got to get continuation. 50% of the range is the big line in the sand. Through the 168s, family, I think we can maybe even look for the bottom. We'll have to see what happens here on these next couple candles. Buyers are going to be stubborn. Man, every time we get speed, they get reclaimed immediately. Feels like it wants to break lower, but it's holding that fucking 70s now. It's holding higher and higher. Still don't mind it. ES. Back into the EMA. Looking like it's rejecting a little bit as well. Still holding a random bottom. I think it wants to break, family. I really do. Of course, I'm a little bit biased. You know what I'm saying? As I'm in it, but I still like the weakness here. Back into the EMA we go on NQ as well. Speed through here would be great. Oil trying to base and hold. ES breaking this bottom is a nice push for us. ES holding here is pretty bullish, but it's an interesting candle print or a chart print. Come on, NQ. Break lower off this. Show me some speed this time. We have a lot of bottom here to break through, where I think if we do it, it's going to happen quickly if we can get through. It should be a pretty quick delivery down to the 50% of the range and even lower possibly. Go ahead. Go ahead and feed through with a big black through this bottom. 50% of the range at the 168s is the big spot that I really want to see weakness through. A nice candle closure should bring us lower to the range. They continue to hold like they are. It just looks interesting. I don't believe it, though. I don't believe that the longs are going to buy this for the 4th time and just continue to hold. Especially with ES deciding that it might want to break lower here. If ES starts giving this up, we're going to look okay. It's going to be really indicative of this position here. Come on, NQ. Big black, no wig, family. Come on. Why? Why are we holding these 80s randomly? Look at the resistance here. That means that I think that if it breaks, it's going to be speedy. But it's not breaking at the moment, so we wait. Show me some speed through here with a big black, no wick. I want to see ES continuing to reject that spot and sell to the lows. We have a big bottom down here that ES is holding that I think if it decides to give it, could be interesting. Look at it try. Come on, ES. Go for us. Bring us with you. NQ tapping into that 70s price again. Still struggling to sell through. Show me some speed now. Show me some speed now. Get down through there. Come on. Speed. Big bottom that I want to see break. I want to see this breakthrough. Into the 170s. The 68s are that 50% of the range. Speed through here. Speed through here. Into the 65s. Here we go, family. Let's see this try to snap through these new 140s. Anything could happen, though. Take a look at ES really quickly to see if it's trying to hold that bottom. It does look like it's trying to. Man, those 165s on ES are strong looking. I don't know, family. Trying to decide to read this properly. Obviously trying to do our best here. We finally got this thing to break down for us a little bit. I'm trying to decide if I want to see this break to the other side of the range and hold for longer, if I just want to take my little win and be happy with it. Struggling to get through this range. This spot down here could be wild. We could hold it pretty aggressively. This previous swing spot, there's a lot of resistance. The 160s are through 50% of the 15-minute range. Continuation candles could be clean, but it's tough to know. Hard knowing, not saying. Hard saying, not knowing. Show me continuation. Show me continuation on that candle. ES looks like it's really a lot weaker than NQ is, but I just don't want to see a reclaim. We know the longs. We know how they like to party. They just randomly come in aggressive as hell. I really would like to see lows here. Like, if we could see the bottom of the 15-minute range for a break and reclaim trade, my goodness. Show me some speed through these new lows. I like the sellers to try to win this. I'm going to trail our profit a little bit above this new swing. Don't want to see us come back up and around there. And really want to see this thing keep breaking lower for us. The bottom of the 15-minute range would be just a beautiful trade. This new spot is going to be the really interesting price at these 139s. Is ES finally giving it up or no? Just trying to. Man, it does look good, family. It does look good to try to break through here. That's a good candle closure, though. But the thing is, I've seen that just return immediately. You're going to have to see another continuation black. Big black, no wick. Just through this bottom. Speed. I want to see some speed through here. The 27 150s could be an interesting spot. through there, I think we really could see at least a retest of the 15-minute range bottom. I might get out at the 26s, though. Interesting hold at this wick right now. Makes me think that the longs could step in. Did ES end up giving out that bottom? It's trying, but it's holding. It's such a weird price over here on ES. Come on, ES. Break through, because you'll bring us with you. Our price is above this new swing spot, above that EMA.
Stop.
And we're out for a $500 trade. Fuck, man. Could have done a lot better with that. That's frustrating. ES hold. ES is trying to hold. I don't believe it, though. Did we hold 50% of the range? Kind of did. Excuse me. Counts back above 2K. Yeah, it's okay. It's, I don't know. Fucking, I'm frustrated about that. And that one wick we just gave back $600. And I feel like it wants to break lower. I just feel like we just trailed too tightly there. I'm in again at that same swing where we just got tagged out. This previous wick spot. Stops are going to be above that same price. I want to see the sellers are really going to defend this. I think if they do, we get slippery. If they don't, we're going to recover out of this pretty strong. So it's a 50-50 here. But I still want to be in the same trade I was just in. I still like the pressure. I still think it's okay. Speed through here now. Come on, Queen. Speed through here now. Speed through here now. This is what we got to see. Go take out this bottom at the 145s. Get fast. Let's take a quick peek at ES. I want to see if it's breaking through that bottom. It's truly trying. Bring us with you. If we don't break out of here, I'm going to put our break evens on. We have to break through this bottom, and it has to be pretty quick. Come on, go break through that bottom. ES trying to hold. It's acting like it wants to. Yeah, we'll probably get tagged for break even. Come on, reject off that. Reject off that lower. We're gonna go get break even and gonna try to get in again, I guess.
Stop filled.
You fucking bitch. Oh, now you're just gonna break me even and then go, aren't you? I'm annoyed after that. If that isn't going to be a classic top tick on a fucking retest of a trade, I'm going to fucking be annoyed. It's really that simple, family. Oh yeah, now you're gonna get heavy through here. Are you fucking kidding me? Why, man? Why? Why? Just retesting the price 4 times. And now it's going to go ahead and get heavy. Like, it's so obvious. ES looks terrible. This is setting new lows now through the fucking spot. Really, NASDAQ? You better hold this and go push up higher. Like, that's what I need to see at this point. Go close strong so I can feel good about it. Battling. Nice day you trade. Nice day you trade late. Yeah, I took a later trade and it still played out okay, but man, I'm frustrated a little bit, not gonna lie. Because this is gonna start getting heavy and it's gonna just, of course, be when I'm not in it. Like, you can't even make that shit up, bro. Like, perfect. Oh my fucking word, man. Should have still been in for my original position. Frustrating, family. Weakness through here looks really good. Again, I'd be a little bit more hesitant to get out around these like 126s, but ES looks like it's ready to go. Oil looking strong, probably, yeah. And there we go, new lows where I unfucking believable, NASDAQ. You fucking fuck you. Really, dude? Could have done a lot better there. The tag out for break even is, I mean, that's fair. That's a decent tag out. The re-entry to then get fucking tagged out is pathetic. Snapping through that spot low. This is the spot where things could get interesting for the buyers if they really want to respond. Is ES giving it up? Looks like it's trying to. I don't know. It is what it is, family. I think I got one more payout, then I'll be moved alive. Thomas, that's huge, King. Congratulations. Be proud of that, brother. 40K in 4 weeks off these accounts. You got this. You're right. You're right, Santi. Those resetting orders I said was 140s. Either of them get filled, they lifted off the bid. My God, this just got killed. I am so frustrated that I... Just classic hickory dickory bullshit. Unlucky. ES breaking through that low looks pretty bearish. NQ looks a bit more strong, trying to hold better than NQ is, or ES is. Also, I think I noticed a trend line here, so that could be a spot of target. My God, we're into the 120s just off of a fucking landslide, because of course it's not going to give us a chance to retest because I get fucked in the middle, dude. So classic, Tyler. I should have seen that. I should have traded that way better. Here we go. Big sell into that spot. Man, am I frustrated. Man, am I frustrated, bro. That was the trade, family. Like, we needed that. We'd be up fat right now. I needed that one. If we break, we got to go 100 points to the low. Tyler, I haven't been switched to live on TBT yet. Today will be the 12th payout from these accounts. Hopefully, I'm just slipping under the radar. That's nice. Only when drawing 1K at a time. Maybe that's why, but I don't think so. That's sexy split. NQ really hating on Ty. Damn. This one actually, this one hurt. I needed that. Like, what the fuck was that for a break even, dude? Seriously, that's so frustrating. Like, that one actually hurt. That one actually hurt, family. I mean, that should have been a fucking A+ home run trade. And I got fucked in the middle. It sucks. It just sucks. Is what it is. It's over. It's already done. Find the next one. But man, that's a bummer. That right there. That's a bummer. You wanted that. You needed it. You had to have it. Instead, she said, no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Would have been a beautiful another what? Probably 17, probably $800 more, maybe more. Where'd I get out at? 179. So yeah, it would be up another. Oh no, we'd be up 100 points. So two grand from there. It's good. It's really good. It's really good. Love seeing that actually. No, I'm not upset about that. That feels really good. I'm not upset about missing another 2 grand. No, you guys, you are. I don't care. Oh, look. Weakness through the bottom of the 15-minute range. That was our fucking target. So annoying, man. She missed out on another $2,000. $10,000 total. 2K per account. Because of a fucking break even in the middle, dude. Off of a random flash candle before it breaks. Literally the last top tick. Look at the top tick. It's fucking classic, dude. And now this thing is just going to piss to the sell side. ES doesn't fucking do that. It just breaks. And Q does this. Bullshit in the middle. Such an easy trade to the bottom of the 15-minute range, man. Fuck. Time to log off now, bro. Protect that nice big payout. Yeah, there's no payout, though. We need fucking 1,700 more beans. We need 1,700 more beans, GPT. 1,700 beanos before we can even grab the payout. Can always catch the ride up. Don't say that, Santi. It's hard saying not knowing. Hard saying not knowing where this thing is going to turn. I'm frustrated. That was fucking annoying. Like, oh, I'm still pissed off about it. I need a couple more fucking minutes about it. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Literally a 100-point trade, 2,000 extra fucking dollars because it has to go flash it one more time. Fuck. You know what I mean? Retest. Retest the lows. Is it going to break it? Feels like it has to. You're only pissed because you're sober. Spark up and watch. You'll feel better about 600. Oh, Santi, you're right, though. I'm only upset because I'm not fucking... That's so annoying. This would have brought the accounts pretty much to a payout. And I had to have some base hits after today. But... deep breath. It didn't happen, and that's what it is. Whatever. It didn't happen, and that's what it is. Whatever. Oh, well. Bigger stops, brother. Feel like that would help a lot lately. I mean, lately I haven't even been putting stops in sauce. I've been trading fucking pretty loose with my stops, but on these you have to. And yeah, I mean, I guess I could have given that a little bit more room. It's just if we get through there, we get through there. I guess I should have been above that swing high. That would have been the safer spot for sure. Yeah, for sure. You're right. Should have at least been above this candle wick for my stop. Instead of where I was for sure. So I'm upset at myself. It was a mistake that I made. I could have passed my account, but nah. I feel you, Queen. I feel you. Amin. Wow, it's been a little bit, King. How you doing, sir? Welcome in. Just missed out on a fucking banger of a trade because I'm a goofball Gary. Absolute goofball Gary. Is the NASDAQ trying to hold this bottom now? The 2740s? Is that going to be the spot? Kind of want to short the top of this trend line. But do we see new lows? Look at the daily chart really quickly. I just feel like the daily chart has to come down into this EMA. So I am tempted to find, find a short here at the top of this trend line. Tough how many times that happens to you, bro. So fucking barely microsecond decisions. Like if I literally would have set my stop above that and just trusted it and just, oh my fucking god, this would have been another 10K payout for these fucking accounts. Oh, but it didn't happen, and that's fine. We did our best. Long. Boss, you like longs down here? I don't mind longs down here. They don't seem super sexy. Worth the tight amount of risk, maybe. I feel like the daily candle wants to extend down into this EMA, though. That's where I'm hesitating. I feel like the daily candle wants to reach lower. It's tough saying, hard not knowing. How are you, King? How is this month going for you? I mean, it's been a very good month. We've taken 3 10K payouts back-to-back weeks, and we were trying to do another one on these accounts. Would have hit a banger trade today, which would have saved them, and got a little unlucky there with my trade management in the middle. Didn't do great, but it is what it is. I'm long back to the EMA. You're long back to the EMA on what, the 5-minute queen? Almost like when you think of a stop, go 5% above that, LOL. Yeah, literally something like that. Market makers, King. Market makers are going to go long, you think? Long in the 5-minute EMA. Where's that at? Yeah, I don't mind that. Oh, fuck. Yeah, longs are coming, bro. Trust your gut. So fucking frustrated about myself right now. It's just fucking... God damn it, dude. Would have been another banger trade to save the motherfucking accounts, family. And I just need a couple more seconds, I guess, to let it go because I'm still frustrated. I'm only human. Fuck. Oh. It's hard to know where we're going to go right now. We broke through the top of the 15-minute range, rejected, failed VWAP, rejected. That was a confirmation to find the big short. Got the big short, didn't get to fucking ride it down. And now we broke through the bottom of the 15-minute range, defended the previous overnight low, and now we're holding. Anything could happen down here. Kind of wild. This is where I wanted to short, so it's funny that I didn't because of course, it's completely printing off of it. Do we get a closure through the bottom of the 15-minute range here? I am actually tempted to try a long down here, family. Probably just missed my chance on that field. I wanted the 70s probably, but it's a little tough, a little risky. It may be better for me to walk away, honestly, with my mental state at the moment after that fucking dickery. Because I shouldn't be trading anymore anyway. I should have hit that fucking trade and been locked out and done. That's how today should have gone. Or no, that's how I wish today would have gone. That's the better way to say it. That's what I wish would have happened. If I did a little bit better in the micro, that could have been a beautiful, another payday, possibly. Instead, we're battling. Still got, I mean, look, we only need 1,700 more. It costs 4 winning days, and we can get another payout. So we're still in the same battle spot. I'm going to try a long.
Order filled.
I'm going to try a long at these swings. My stops are going to be below this new bottom down here at the 61s. So I should probably give it like 3 more points. Holy shit. Go ahead then. Longs just came in to help us out and then immediately giving us a rejection. Jesus, that happened fast. What the fuck was that? Someone got filled and then it didn't even matter. What the fuck was that? Immediately get a beautiful push off to go up fucking 30 points and then just out of nowhere just rejected all of it. What? Looked like we were in for a little bit of a ride there and just immediately killed every single bit of that price action. Another wick. What the fuck is happening down here? What's up with that price action? We just got a massive amount of orders getting filled and then just immediately suppressed all of it. Like, why would that? Why? It happened in 2 milliseconds. Why did that just immediately get suppressed? Well, this is where my stop would have been at these 58s, so see if I'm smart by giving it a room or not. I'm just gonna fucking lose a bunch of liquidity here. When you get a fucking candle that supports you in 2 fucking seconds and you can't even do anything about it because it immediately sells off instantaneously. Got a massive wick and then it just sells right into it. Like, what the fuck was that, dude? Oh my god. Oh, we're absolutely hunting the lows here. We just gave back our fucking... Two fucking microseconds. Jesus fucking Christ, man. New lows. Seriously, what the fuck was that? I'm ready to fucking lose my fucking cool. What the fuck was that? Oh, I want to break something so fucking bad right now, dude. Absolutely pathetic. The fuck was that volume? And then just, just kidding, just kidding, we're going all the way back down. I'm ready to lose my shit. Like, seriously, what the fuck was that? And then the time I don't have a tight stop, we just bleed to death. I about fucking imagine, dude. So frustrated right now. So fucking annoyed right now. What was that, dude? Like, actually, who in the where in the why in the what in the fuck in the what the fuck, dude? In the actual fucking fuck. You better go all the way to the fucking moon, NASDAQ. All the way to the fucking moon. I'm talking about 29,000 right now. You know what I'm talking about? I'm talking about all the way back to the fucking top. You are not going to fuck me like that today. Absolutely unbelievable. Not today. I need 30,000 NASDAQ right fucking now. Piss missile up there. Fuck, man. Fuck, man. Fuck. So fucking wow today. I shouldn't have even been in another trade since this moment. They should have paid me all my fucking guap. And now there's just infinite weakness. Infinite fucking weakness. Infinite fucking weakness. I'm actually gonna fucking lose my cool. No, I'm gonna actually lose my fucking cool. No, this is a bad day for this is I am upset. I am frustrated. Like, what the actual fuck, man? Nothing but weakness now. What's ES doing? It holds the bottom. ES breaks through the bottom and is holding. NQ weak. Just fucking pissing away everything. Can't find structure whatsoever. Okay, I'm down up 750 on a fresh new TPT account. Lucid is out, so I got an account with TPT. Hopefully daily payouts. Let's go, Queen. Let's go, Danny. It says trust your gut, and I didn't. I shorted. I fucking longed instead of shorted the price that I said I wanted to short, and now I'm just gonna blow these accounts. I'm gonna let this thing go all the way to zero. I don't give a fuck right now. Let's go, Adam. 10K on 3,300 is fucking fat, buddy. Love seeing it. Good morning, Matrix. Welcome in, stud. Sorry you're seeing me crash the fuck out right now. I do need a cup of Jack like that, man. Word. Oh my fucking god, dude. So I'm beyond it right now mentally. This should have fucking been our trade, this one. And then I get caught in some fucking fuckery where it immediately bounces 30 fucking points and then flashes back. And now I'm just holding for fucking new lows because I don't care anymore. That's fucking pathetic. I have been fucked around enough today. Seriously. Yeah, suddenly looking like it wants to hold the bottom, but it's fucking just clearly not. Then go. Like, just fucking go. The long said, oh, we're going to actually flash right up to the price, and then we're not going to go anywhere. You can still come back from this. It feels like I can't. It feels like I just fucking want to break something. Mentally. You know what I mean? Mentally, there's no coming back. I'm frustrated. Oh, NASDAQ. Look at us. Blue line algo probably. Gonna be like, oh, this blue line, this kid's random algorithm price, we're just gonna hold below it so that he keeps like thinking he might get break even, and then we're just gonna rip right out to new fucking lows. It'd be so funny. Watch. Let's watch him crash out. Like you're going to go flash my break-even price in the middle of a fucking beautiful 1,000-point, 100-point trade, and then you're just going to sell off. I get it. No, I get it. You don't like me, and that's fine. I deserve something better. I deserve more. Look at ES acting like it's going to rip through and then holding and rejecting, and now we're just going fucking nowhere. Blue line algo? Is this the blue line algo? Do we actually find volume through here, or are we just blue line algo? Anyone have any ideas? Feels like we're not going to get above my price. You know what I mean? I feel like my price is going to be the resistance here, like always today. Blue line fucking algorithm. Don't fuck with me right now. Don't fuck with me right now at this fucking random blue line that I have drawn up. Don't do it. I swear to God, this monitor will be in a couple pieces if you fuck with me right now. It's not gonna. It's gonna fuck with me. Blue line fucking algorithm is going to fuck with me. And if it does, family, you're gonna see some shit. That's right? I'm gonna tell you right now. You're gonna see some shit if this blue line fucks with me right now. Go close through it, or things are gonna happen. And I'm not gonna be proud of them. You understand what I'm talking about? You actually understand what the fuck I'm saying right now? Close through this shit, or some stuff's gonna happen that I'm not gonna be proud of. Does that make sense? Are you clocking what I'm saying to you, NASDAQ? Are you clocking it? I can't fucking deal with you right now, you piece of shit. It's as simple as that. Go. If you're listening to me, you better fucking listen, because you're not gonna like what happens. I'm out. Mentally, I'm out. I'm out. I'm done. I know this is going to rip, and I can't even sit through it because I'm just over it. This fucking market, dude. We just got, honestly, bailed out. Honestly, just got bailed out, dude. This thing is going to rip up. Probably, like, clean. And I can't even sit with it because I'm going to just crash the fuck out. We made 1,100 on the day, which honestly is so funny to say this, and I hope you guys just understand when I say, and don't think I'm being an asshole. Just feels like I lost today. It feels like I just fucking lost. Like it really does. It's bad to say that. I know. I'm sorry. You guys love me. I love you too. It just feels like I got fucked today. Like why did I don't even know. I don't even know, dude. Yeah, look how much better ES looks. NQ's doing dickery bullshit down here, dude. Look at this dickery bullshit down here, dude. You're a king, brother. Watch it play out your way. We got lucky work. 1 hour looks good. I'm on the daily. I didn't see the 1 hour. Excuse me. I got a free account with TPT. I have enough points. Yay. You're going to bring that to a payout, queen. Last time I seen you, I knew you do it. Bought 3 combines. Past 2. I'm better trading 1 account at a time than copy trading due to psychology-wise, I think. The Matrix, that's big to know. If that's true for you, brother, that is massive to know. Santi, that's when he's selling, dog. LOL. Big whites. My bad, LOL. I'm down a lot of money. D, I'm sorry to hear that, King. We're going to the stratosphere. It's Trump's markets. It's Trump's markets, Saucy. Computer activate stage 2. I got you, Ty. Don't worry. It heard what I said. It heard what I said. It said it didn't want bad things to happen, so I can respect that. Green is green, King. Good job. I could have been the other way around. Oh, yeah. We would have. I was pretty serious that if this would have kept selling off, I was going to blow the accounts. I was well tilted. But we got lucky. They saved us. They said, you know what? No, you actually are going to get a little bit of relief bounce because this is still a fucking buyer's market. So we're going to actually respect it a little bit. Instead of fucking me in the asshole in the middle here like that. Sorry, guys. Violently. Just kidding. And then, you know, it goes to the bottom. Nice lockout, man. You was going through it. I was going through it, GPT. I was ready to blow them. I was ready for them to go to 0. Nice lockout. How does that work, though? Does anyone know? What do you mean? For the free account, Queen? Look at it from far out and look at the zone the 1 hour's tapping. No, you're not wrong, actually. It does look good to push back up a decent bit here. I redeem my points, but the account is not showing. I don't know. So have you reset the maybe you get an email? Have you checked? Have you reset the browser? You gotta buy an account and pay with credits. But she said she did that. She said she redeemed them. Tomorrow's going to be a wild day, family. It's going to be FOMC tomorrow. Shit could get wild. Wet, wild, and random. But the thing is during the earlier, before the 2 o'clock meeting, it could get a little stale. I don't know. So we're going to see what happens at market open tomorrow. But shiver me timbers. Shit's going to get wild. We need $1,200 and 4 winning days for our 4th 10K payout in a row. And then after that, we could maybe get pushed to live with them if we continue this momentum. But man, honestly, today was a shit show. It's so funny because looking at this chart, you see a green trade, but there's the psychology. What I went through in here was a loss. This, I tilted. I should not have missed this fucking position here. I should have put my stop above that swing, not been a pussy, caught the mave. I didn't. I added in down here. It's like, you know what? I'm going to buy the bottom of 15-minute range. It pushes up, rejects me all the way down to the new lows, and I was ready to bust it. I swear I was ready to bust it. Part of me still wants to get in again and bust it, but, you know, it's not smart. Part of me is like, yo, buy this bottom down here. Part of me is like, yo, buy this bottom right now, Tyler. Bottom of the 15-minute range again. Right? I don't do it, right? I'm going to do it with 1 micro because I have to. No, I don't. I don't have to, Tyler. You don't have to. You know what? I'm going to stop being a bitch. Trade mode off. Cancel. Trade mode off. Manual. Lockout. End of day. Out of here. See you later. I suck. I'm out. I'm done. It's over. NASDAQ, you and I today. That's all I got to say. Oh, I thought she meant she claimed the reward. Thanks, Max. That's it. Oh, you're the man, Maxie. Let's go. Thanks for helping her out. Lock it out. We come back. Lucid Dash is back. Haha. Peace, Ty. They came back. Finally. Now we can log back in and check our shit. Family, how close did we get to... I'm about to get at... How close did we get to our 30-like stream goal? Like I said, lately we've been struggling to even get 30, even though we were crushing 40. So we got to pick it up. Meaning It's funny because it's like I've been crushing the markets too. So it's like, I I don't know. I don't know what's up. My neuropsychological eval came back. I'm got brain damage. Deontay. 4 more, baby. So we're at 26. That's what I'm saying, family. We've been a little bit under the weather on the like button. So if you guys are watching and haven't yet, could we show some love, smash the button, and get us to our 30 like stream goal? These shorts are nuts. I know, Danny. I saw it. I felt it. I knew it. I was ready for them all morning. I shorted on TPT, caught this move, shorted again here. Should have caught this fucking move. I knew it. I saw them. I was ready for them today, and I didn't even get to win on it. Fucking sucks. Like it up, yep. Come on, GPT. It's from the car accident I was in from last year. Truck hit me. That's crazy. My neuropsychological eval came back. I got brain damage. I won't be able to fly ever again. No fucking way. Damn, D. Sorry to hear that, King. That's fucking brutal. That's absolutely brutal to hear, sir. 2 more to hit our 30 like stream goal, family. Like I said, usually we'd be crushing the 40s. And if you guys are finding any, you just love being here. You love the community. You like to see me crash the fuck out when I miss a banger of a short on NASDAQ because I put my order there and then I got fucking stopped out. So then I added it again and get stopped out for break even one more time before it fucking drips another 100 points. Fuck. Show some love. Smash the love button. And we'll see what we can do tomorrow, because I promise you guys, one thing that's for certain is no matter what the charts are doing, we're going to be here doing it together. So I'm going to call it here, family. Every single person that's here means so much, and I appreciate you guys for being a part of this fucking community, part of this journey. You guys are watching somebody truly go from beginner, no idea how to trade, unprofitable, to well profitable, consistently taking money from the NASDAQ, building a community, and it means so fucking much. So I appreciate you guys for being a part of it. It means the most. I saw them too. That was just early with a 750 drawdown left. Shit just happens. Shit does just happen. If the short queen was spotting it, you know it was real. Go and hit some shit. Go hit some shit, Ty. Get out the anger out. I need to. There's some stuff that's going to get broken, but I love you guys. W Stream, man. See you tomorrow. Let's go, Santana. Appreciate you, King. Yo, you recovered from yesterday? I did. We did. Kendall, it was an okay day. It should have been a lot fucking better. You missed the... I almost forgot about it. You just reminded me. Almost recovered all out of it. Almost hit our 10K payout day. Technically. Missed another 100 points. Look. Sell, break even before this fucking shit show. I'm the 30th like. Let's go, Manuel. Yo, you got us to our 30, family. Let's fucking go, family. All right. Today is a beautiful day now. Anyways, that's going to do it. We'll be back tomorrow. FOMC. Protect your guys' selves. We'll see what happens then. In the meantime, drink some sun. Get some water, hug somebody you fucking love, and we'll be back trading the NASDAQ as a family tomorrow. Hopefully we can crush it. Hopefully price action's nice, and we'll see what happens. Until then, family, I love you. Peace.